Hello there, this is Bidora Sultana once again before you with a very sensitive topic. Day before yesterday, that means 18th of May, was my birthday, and I think this birthday is the most valuable and precious birthday for me because my students and my colleagues and my other well wishers wished me in such a manner I became amazed and speechless. That's why I thought if I share my feelings with you, you can understand that how much a student can love a teacher, and their love is really unconditional, precious, valuable, and everything. Okay, so they have sent some SMS and share their feelings with me on my birthday, which I want to share with you. Okay, so you can see this is the first SMS I got just 12:01 or 12:02 a.m. Okay, so her name is Fairu Saima and she is in HSC second year. Okay, and many of the people say that she looks like me. Okay, so she wrote, "You are an inspiration, you are my idol, and undoubtedly an amazing teacher. I love you so much. Happiest birthday ever. Stay safe." Okay, now secondly, I want to go. This is Rohan Kurim, one of my students. He nowadays he doesn't study because he wants to be a photographer, and he always tells me that, "Miss, I don't want to study, I want to be a photographer, please me help me, support me." Okay, so you can see he wrote, "Happy birthday to you, Miss. Life অনেক সাপোর্ট পেয়েছি আপনার কাছ থেকে। আপনার সাথে যদি পরিচয় না হতো আজ হয়তো এখানে আসতে পারতাম না। আই লাভ ইউ সো মাচ মিস।" So I will cry now. So I can't express my feelings in words. Okay, so you can see another girl, Afrina Jahan Nilima. I give the reply, "Shonama dhonnobad, you are precious." Then she replies that, "You are one piece, none can replace you." Okay, so you can see another SMS, Sabrina Firdos Upoma. "Happy birthday, Miss. We all love you. Stay safe and happy every time." They came to my home to visit my younger son, and that time they took the photographs. You can see all the girls, they are not in school because they have passed already their SSC examination, and some girls are in HSC first year and some are in HSC second year. Okay, that means this love I can't explain. They love me and their love is unconditional. Okay, so this girl is like I call her Anna Frank, Ikra Ahmed, and she's so beautiful, so charming. She wrote me, "শুভ জন্মদিন, ধন্যবাদ আমার জীবনে একটা সূর্যমুখী হয়ে থাকার জন্যে। আমি আপনাকে অনেক ভালোবাসি." Can you imagine this type of love? Okay, then Ikra Ahmed, this is the message from Ikra Ahmed. Okay, then this girl really mad. Okay, Fatiha Saba, a new girl in our school in class 7, she wrote me in such a manner that she thinks that I am her real mother. Okay, so happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, long live Miss, where are you? That means she is asking for my SMS. Okay, and here you can see a girl made this collage some of my photographs here, and they took these photographs from my Facebook ID. Okay, so this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 12 photographs, the images she took. Okay, it's a little gift from your 4 little girls. Happy birthday. Then the girl are really unbelievable. Afrina Jahan Nilima was the first girl when she was in our school. She got the scholarship in class 5 and 8 also. She thought that I am her second mother. Okay, and শুভ জন্মদিন জানাই তাকে, প্রিয় শিক্ষক মানি যাকে। শুভ জন্মদিন জানাই তাকে, প্রিয় শিক্ষক মানি যাকে। She is really beautiful and I love them so much. I love them from the core of my heart. Really, I am nothing without them. Okay, so again you can see another one of happy birthday to my beautiful miss, sorry for late. আপনার ব্যাপারে আর কি বলবো, কারণ আপনাকে ব্যাখ্যা করার মতো কোনো শব্দ নেই আমার কাছে। আপনি আমার লাইফে কতটা ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট আপনি জানেন না। আই এম লাকি দ্যাট ইউ আর মাই টিচার। আপনি আমার লাইফে দেখা বেস্ট টিচার। আমার লাইফ এখনও শেষ হয়নি, তবুও আমি এই পর্যন্ত আপনাকে যতটুকু দেখেছি, আমার কাছে আপনি একজন বেস্ট টিচার। আপনি আমার মায়ের থেকে কোনো অংশে কম না। আর যদি কোনো দিন কোনো ভুল করে থাকি তাহলে স্টুডেন্ট না, মেয়ে মনে করে ক্ষমা করবেন। আল্লাহ আপনাকে সব সময় ভালো রাখুক, সুস্থ রাখুক, এই দোয়া করি। হ্যাভ আ নাইস ডে, অলওয়েজ কিপ স্মাইল। মিস, কোনো দিন আপনাকে বলি নাই আই লাভ ইউ সো মাচ, হ্যাপি বার্থডে টু ইউ মিস। I will just cry now, okay? I can't explain my feelings in this moment. Okay, this girl's name is Maimuna Rahman Toa and she is really beautiful. Okay, she is also from class 7. So here the students from class 7 send me the SMS, happy birthday miss, today I am very happy for that. Okay, she is Maimuna. Look, these images from the Victory Day celebration of our school 2018, and she is a singer and she performed in that program, and I am the program coordinator, program in charge, you know. She always tells me that, miss, you are only one, we cannot think our school without you. Okay, so you can see the other one, happy birthday again. Maybe I am going to mad, but miss, today I am very happy. It is from Saba. Okay, a new girl in our school. And Fatiha wrote me, Saba wrote me, miss, happy birthday to you, today is my mother's birthday. I am very happy. I don't know that did I gain your precious love, but miss, I love you like my mother. You teaches me every inch of important things. I have no words to tell you. It can describe in these little words. I have nothing to give you. I made a frame of you, hope you will like. Miss, I will never forget you. You are the one who is most respected and lovely for me. Today is your birthday. I have nothing to give you. I feel very sorry for that. If I did any fault, then please forgive me, miss, and pray for me for my bright future. Again, happy birthday to you, miss. Can you imagine? I can't imagine that these girls, these boys, these students love me so much, and really I don't know why, but really all the students tell me like that. So I think it is the message for all of the teachers that teachers should inspire the students, teacher should be a friend, teacher should be a motivator. Okay, because a student or students depend on you. Students give the love, unconditional love to a teacher. Okay, so our not duty to teach only the books. Okay, we have to give the quality education to them. We have to teach the morality, we have to teach everything, we have to be their friends. Okay, so I think it is dedicated, I am dedicating my birthday, this type of messages to all of the teachers who are dealing the students, and it is our duty to make the students our friends, and we should make a good relationship with all the students. Okay, so here another girl, she is in Jahangirnagar University. She wrote that, happiest of birthday to the most loving teacher, supporter, motivator. We love you, miss Bidaura Sultana. Okay, this is from another Victory Day program 2018. All the students have passed their SSC examination. They are now in different colleges. Okay, and this is a video. They a girl from 7 made it, and so okay, you can see. So it is I am so lucky that the students love me, and I want to keep their loves for my till my death. Thank you so much.